What the photoreceptor outer segment length tells us. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Recent advances in ocular imaging technology have successfully introduced novel analysis of retina morphology. It is the most common tool we use to show the spectral domain optic coherence tomography retinal layers. There are 4 hyperreflective outer retinal lines on SDOCT, external limiting membrane ELM, inner segment ellipsoid eye cell, previously called the junction between the inner and the outer segments ISOS junction, cone outer segment tips cost, and retinal pigment epithelium RPE. The pros is located in between ISOS and RPE. While measuring the PROS length, we only take measurements from the fovea where the cone cells are located. These cells are directly related to visual acuity and quality. In a database study on this subject, the difference in PROS length was not statistically significant neither for age nor for gender. Females tended to have a lower PROS length than males, and PROS length was slightly higher in the first 2 decades of life, the data has been revealed. Also, similar studies have been conducted for many diseases. We know that a retinal structure PROS length that gives so much information about vision and vision quality will be used more frequently in our daily practice in the future. Introduction. The fovea is a tiny but critical part of the eye's retina that plays the biggest role in clear vision. It contains cone cells, which are specialized for detecting light and detail. These cells have a part called the photoreceptor outer segment PROS, which captures light and starts the process of seeing. The structure and health of PROS are essential for good vision. Thanks to new imaging technologies like SDOCT and adaptive optics, doctors can now examine the PROS in detail. This helps them better understand eye diseases and predict how a patient's vision might change. By measuring the length and structure of the PROS, we can get valuable insights into how well the retina is working, making this an important tool in everyday eye care. Conclusion. In conclusion, PROS length may be a useful criterion in both determining clinical prognosis and evaluating treatment efficacy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.